Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to use Paste and Go. Paste and Go function is to copy your design without break the previous file. Go to File, click Paste and Go. You can choose what you need to copy. Just check this. You can save file in folder or zip file. Click browser to choose file place. Click select folder. Check this for make conditional name, like this. Click save. After done, let's open the file. Click this icon. Choose Paste and Go file we made before. Open this file. See? This is the file we make. See? Right side is a Paste and Go file and the left side is original file. See? Copy in its entirety. That is quick tips. See ya!